Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to combine multiple Word files into one. So to do that, let's open a Word file. So once you open and go to a blank document and then go to insert. And here you will find the option of object in the text section. Go to object, drag down the drop down box and here go to text from file. And here I'm going to my desired folder. In my desktop, there are 3 Word files that I want to compare into one. So I want to serially connect each other, like chapter 1, chapter 3, chapter 8. So I am selecting each and every one. And once they're selected, just tap on insert. And as you can see, all of them are just combined together. And yeah, this is how you can see all the chapters are combined. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.